friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change heading type in blog post on WordPress website. As you can see onto my screen, here I'm into WordPress admin dashboard, and here I'm in the all posts section right now, right? And I'm going to edit this article, this blog post I'm editing. Okay, and for example, this is the heading and we want to change the heading type of this particular heading. Then we will simply click on it, and here there is an option of H1, right? We can change it to H2, or we can change it to H3, H4, H5, and this heading will keep getting of smaller size, right? Again, if we want to change it to heading 2, we can simply select H2, and if we want to convert this heading into paragraph, then we can simply click on this flag and paragraph, right? Again, this heading has been converted into paragraph, right? Now if I want any paragraph to get converted into heading, then I will simply click on in that particular line, and then we'll click on paragraph icon and then heading, and we can select the heading type, right? So this is how you can change the heading type in blog post on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.